Hey guys, here's all you need to know about the Rezvani Hercules 6x6. While the exterior is pretty interesting, the cabin is little more than a dressed-up Jeep. That being said, the Hercules 6x6 features an aftermarket Alpine infotainment system with a 9-inch display as well as Apple CarPlay compatibility. Customers can also order a Napa leather package that includes premium leather seats and a suede headliner. The truck has also been equipped with a roof-mounted LED light bar, a unique rear end, and sculptured metal sport bars which are available in a variety of finishes including the bronze seen here. Other highlights include customizable wheels that are wrapped in 37-inch off-road tires. Under the hood, there's a variety of engine options including familiar a 3.6-liter Pentasta V6 with 285 HP, 213 kilowatts/289 PS, and 260 lb-ft, 353 nanometers, of torque. Customers can also opt for a 3.0-liter EcoDiesel V6 which pumps out 260 HP, 194 kilowatts, and 442 lb-ft, 600 nanometers, of torque. Fans seeking something more exotic can opt for a 6.4-liter Hemi V8 with 500 HP, 373 kilowatts/507 PS. If that's not enough, the company will offer a highly upgraded version of the supercharged 6.2-liter V8 that powered the Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. According to Rezvani, the engine is bored out to displace 7.0 liters and then equipped with new pistons, a camshaft, and a forged stroker crank. Thanks to these changes, the supercharged V8 will reportedly produce more than 1,300 HP, 969 kilowatts/1,318 PS, and 989 lb-ft, 1,341 nanometers, of torque. The first three engines will be offered with either an 8-speed automatic or a 6-speed manual transmission. However, the supercharged 7.0-liter V8 is only available with an 8-speed automatic gearbox sourced from the Ram 1500 TRX. Regardless of which powertrain is selected, all come with an on-demand 6-wheel drive system. It enables owners to switch between 6x2, 6x4 and 6x6 drive. Speaking of performance, the Hercules 6x6 has been outfitted with a Fox Racing suspension and Dana 60 axles which feature air lockers. If the standard model isn't interesting enough, there's a military edition which features Kevlar armor, bulletproof glass, run-flat tires, a self-sealing fuel tank, underbody blast protection and electromagnetic pulse protection. The model also sports ram bumpers, a reinforced suspension, electrified door handles and a smoke screen system. Other highlights include a thermal night vision system, an intercom, gas masks and blinding lights to hamper the visibility of would-be attackers. To cap things off, the military edition also includes hypothermia and first aid kits. Pricing starts at $225,000 and climbs to $325,000 for the military edition. However, the options are outrageous as the 6.4-liter Hemi V8 costs $40,000 while the supercharged 7.0-liter V8 retails for $249,000, that's on top of the prices listed above, so the latter costs from $474,000. What are your thoughts on this amazing predator of the truck? Comment below. Thank you for watching. Wait for me in another video. In the safety of God.